Good morning, everyone. What's up, and welcome back to my fitness channel. I am just trying to upload as much as I possibly can on this channel this month, so we are going to do a fitness vlog today. Woke up, you guys saw I had some coffee, and now we are headed off to the gym. So I don't really know what I'm even gonna work out, but I'm gonna have Fab hopefully film, where are you? Right there. Hopefully film a little bit of my workout. And yeah, then after when we get home, we have to go quickly get some groceries, and I will do a little cook with me. Do you have anything you want to say?
No, not yet.
No, nothing?
Not yet.
But yeah, we're gonna go to the gym right now, get a workout in. I just have on this sweatshirt that I always wear, and my leggings are like hot pink. So yeah, I'll show you guys the full outfit probably at some point. Gym time. We haven't been in a couple of days, so I'm excited to go get my sweat on. I don't know if I'm gonna do legs or if I'm gonna do arms, something like that. We'll see how I'm feeling once we get there. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna do legs. Okay, so you guys just saw my workout. Be kind, because I am recently just starting to lift more weights, so be nice to me. But I wanted to show you guys that I just wrote down a list of what I'm gonna make for lunch, because I'm gonna do a little cook with me. So I am doing a salad with lettuce, chicken, feta, chickpeas, lemon dressing, and red onion, and maybe I'll add tomato to this too. So that is my lunch salad, and we're gonna stop at Walmart real quick so that way we can get everything that we need. But I had a really good workout. I feel like I kind of want to do some cardio tonight maybe. How do you feel about that?
I feel good about that.
Just maybe in the apartment complex gym or something, just because I want to sweat a little bit more. But my legs feel good. I didn't go too hard. I did like a good, probably like a solid 6 out of 10 on the intensity level, but it felt good. So first day back and good workouts. And now we're gonna go have a healthy lunch, and then I'm gonna have like a little chat with you guys about some stuff that I'm starting that I'm really excited about. But I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys now that we're done with the workout and just say hello, I guess. Here we are. Quick in and out.
In and out.
In and out.
No burgers.
I have a call at 3:30, so we gotta go quick. Okay, so far we have a lot of good stuff. I'll show you guys everything when we get home, but we're just looking around, seeing if there is anything else. Ooh, I want a vitamin water.
Propel, Propel's by himself.
Doesn't look like it. I've been obsessed with vitamin water recently, so I think I'm gonna get a couple. They're only $1 here. They were $2 at Stop and Shop. Wow. Well, I don't know what kind I want. Did you like the kiwi strawberry one?
Hmm?
Okay, so kiwi strawberry. Sorry, the basket's gonna get a little heavy.
What two of those?
Tropical citrus, and one more. Dragon fruit.
Might as well. Try it.
Okay, cool. This one's messed up. That's gotta be heavy. Yay! I have a phone call, you guys, in like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna try and prep for that. But Fab will make the chicken and show you guys how he does it because he makes it so good. Okay, about to do a quick little Walmart haul featuring Lulu because literally whenever you bring anything new into a house with cats, they freak out. But I'm gonna try and go through this pretty quickly. Okay, so Fab got bologna. Then we have some Vita Coco pineapple coconut water because I think I'm gonna make smoothies a little bit later. For my salad, I was thinking I wanted these and then I saw them in store, so I was like, okay, it's fate. Because I really wanted to add these to my salad. It's just sunflower kernels. These are so good on salads. I've done that before, maybe like 2 years ago, and I loved it. So I don't know why I was randomly like craving that, and then I saw them, so I had to get them. We got some Frank's Red Hot because we were running out. Fab got 2 bangs. These are in Sour Heads. Nice flavor. I don't know why I got these, but they were just calling my name. Parmesan crisps. These are the 4 cheese flavor. You guys saw I got 4 vitamin waters, some leafy romaine for my salad, and did I say peppers yet? I don't know, but we got peppers and frozen strawberries, and that is everything. Quickest haul ever. It only took me a minute, but there's everything that we got, and now I'm gonna get ready for my phone call, and we're gonna start making the salad. Our salads are looking good. Ooh, yours looks so good.
Thank you, thank you.
Yum. I wanted to show you guys real quick though the dressing that we're obsessed with. White balsamic vinaigrette from Wegmans. I'm sure you can find it at other grocery stores, but this is so good.
It's fire.
It's way healthier than Caesar, and we just really like it. So yeah, there are our finished salads. This is like a... I haven't eaten anything yet today, you guys, and it's 4:17. What's the finishing touch? Your bang? I thought you were gonna add something to your salad.
Bang! Now we're done.
Nice. Now he's officially done. They look so good. So colorful. I'm so excited to have chickpeas in my salad, you guys. I've been meaning to do this forever. And I feel like it's gonna fill me up so much. Guys, I almost forgot. So I added the Parmesan crisps, but I almost forgot to add some of my sunflower seeds. This will give it like a nice crunch. I don't know. This is like the weirdest salad ever, but I feel like I'm really gonna like it because it's all things that I like. So don't judge me. We'll see if this is good, but I feel like it's going to be. So that's my little late lunch, and I'll probably check in with you guys in a little bit when I make something for dinner. Okay, hi. A little while later, I got off of my phone call, ate my salad, and now I am walking down to the mailroom in the other building because I actually got a package from Gymshark, and I feel like that's relevant to this channel. So I'm gonna do a very mini haul of what I got for you guys. Oh God. There is so many packages in here because of the holiday season. Hey, is that mine? That pretty little thing. Okay, I'm gonna go through all of this stuff and I'll catch back in with you guys in a second. Okay, Fab is gonna be really happy because I didn't even realize that his package got delivered too. I got him some clothes because we're going to a more fancy hotel next Thursday. Hi guys, so it's a little while later. I just watched Fab open all of his Boohoo stuff, but they only sent half of the thing, so I was kind of confused. Hopefully the other stuff is on the way. I don't know, it was like weird. I ordered like so much stuff and we only got 4 things, so I was like and that's for a video, the reason why I ordered all that stuff. I don't know why I'm even saying that, but just so you guys know, I'm letting my hair air dry, so it has seen better days. But I thought I would just go through it really quickly and show you guys what I got from Gymshark. So I ordered a couple of things. I've never ordered from them before, but I got a couple of things because they were having like their Black Friday sale. So this stuff finally came in that I got on Black Friday. So yeah, first thing I got is this sports bra. I believe I got everything in a medium. Yes. So yeah, I don't know what any of this stuff is called. I am not a Gymshark expert, but this seems really, really soft just off of like first impression. So obviously this is a sports bra. The back is like kind of cool. It's like all crisscrossed. So I like this color a lot. I thought it was gonna be gray, but it's more of like a dusty blue, which I like. And this is like really, really soft. So far so good. That was like the first thing. I literally don't remember what I got. So this looks really bright. I thought these were like a more dusty color, but this is the next thing. I got some sweatpants. Does it say like what they're called? The Ruched Jogger. Okay, these are their ruched, sorry, my eye itches. These are their ruched joggers. That's what it says. I got these in a medium as well. And they're in the brick color. So here's what they look like. Just some plain little joggers. These actually feel like really nice quality. I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm impressed so far. There's no drawstring on these, which I didn't realize, but yeah, they're pretty much just a basic jogger. They have like a little cinching on the ankles. What I think reason why I bought these was because the butt kind of has like, how do I like hold it and show you guys at the same time? It has like a line that goes like this, you know, so you can kind of see it on the back. So I thought that that would be flattering. I'm not going to try these on in this video, to be honest, just because I don't really feel like it, but I'm sure you guys will see them. Oh, there's a hair in my mouth. I'm sure you guys will see them in upcoming vlogs very soon because I'm going to be vlogging so much, which I'm going to talk about in a second after I unbox this last, or unbag I should say, this last piece for you guys. This one I was most excited about, I'm pretty sure. So I got this little bomber jacket. What is this called? This is called the Turbo Track Jacket in black. Got this in the medium as well. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, so I just figured I could wear this to the gym. It's like a more of a windbreaker material, black and gray. Ooh, I didn't even realize that the sleeve says Gymshark on it. That's kind of cute. It's a little bit cropped too. Ooh, I like this. I'll definitely be wearing this to the gym probably like tomorrow because this is probably my favorite thing that I got And that's everything that I got. I actually had the matching leggings to this sports bra in my cart, but then when I went to check out, they said that it was, what's the word? Sold out. So I only got the sports bra, which is disappointing because I really wanted to try a pair of leggings from them. But I'm sure I will order from them again soon and do like a full haul. One of the videos that I really want to do is like trying out all different types of brands. So like Gymshark, Athlete, Buff Bunny, Set Active, I don't even know what else, Navigation, pretty much just like all of those really popular workout brands. I want to try them all out in a video and then tell you guys which ones I like the best, or if I don't like any of them, or if I like them all, just that way you guys can like know, you know, which one to order from in my opinion. And it would be unbiased because I'm not sponsored by any of them. But I just edited most of this video. I really want to kind of get it up tonight. But I wanted to talk to you guys really quickly because I'm so excited. So today was like kind of the start, but not really. Tomorrow is like the official start of my 30-day transformation. I am starting a video series, I guess you could say, on this channel where I am very, very strict with myself, follow a strict routine, exercise every day. Hi, Coco. And I'm going to document it all and then show you guys at the end what changes happen. I've been wanting to do this video for so long, and I couldn't find the right time to do it because I felt like I would miss days and stuff, but I'm just gonna start it, you know, just like go for it, go all in, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna be eating like the same thing pretty much for 30 days, which is totally fine with me because I actually thrive off of structure. So yeah, I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day tomorrow so that way you guys can see what exactly I'm gonna be eating. It's gonna be a lot more boring than most of my what I eat in a days normally are, because I normally try and do like more fun recipes, but I really just want to focus you guys for 30 days and see what kind of changes happen. He's so beautiful. So I'm super excited about that. I just feel like I haven't really pushed myself to my full potential, and I really just want to see what can happen in 30 days, and you guys will get a lot of different videos, which is why I'm asking you guys what you want to see. You know, should I do like every week do an update and show you guys what changed in a week? Should I do every 2 weeks? What should I do? I'm really grateful that Fab likes to work out with me because he is going to be filming a lot of my workouts. Let me know what you guys want to see in workouts. Did you like today's? Did you hate it? Do you want something different? Like I've never filmed my workouts before because I've always just gone to the gym by myself. So it's all new to me, and I also didn't really lift weights for that long. So I'm like very much a newbie, I feel like, to the gym, and I want to just take this next 30 days to learn as much as I can, to grow as much as I can, and to document the whole process for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited. Let me know just down below what you want to see in the next 30 days. I'm going to be recording pretty much every day for this channel. Probably not uploading every day, but recording every day, so that way at the end I could do like a full, you know, a rerun of everything that happens. But I also just want to upload so many videos about it, so I just don't know what exactly I should do. So let me know down below in the comments if you have any suggestions. And also, I almost forgot to say, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but on my other channel, Molly's Life, I'm doing a giveaway for Vlogmas. It ends on January 15th, and I'm giving away $500 cash through Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, whatever it is that you use, to 3 people. So 3 people are gonna win $500 cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to Molly's Life, follow me on Instagram, and be like an active subscriber or like just active person on my social medias in general, and I will pick from somebody that I notice is really active. So yeah, definitely check out the link down below to Molly's Life because you don't want to miss out on that. It's literally just $500 cash, and all you have to do is really just be subscribed to that channel and follow me on Instagram, and the rest will just fall into place. So I just wanted to get that out of the way before I forgot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited for tomorrow to like film what I eat in a day and like start this new journey. I think it's gonna be really good. I'm like super focused, you guys, and discipline is my word for 2020. I said that on my other channel. Discipline is like everything to me right now, so that's pretty much what you guys are gonna see, is a lot of disciplined Molly. But anyways, I am talking way too much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what video requests you want to see, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.